Welcome back, people. And I mean, this is the learning cover music here. We come back with our next plugin, channel strip from Kive Audio. It's a case strip, you know what I mean? Right now, they have it on sale for $149. That's $150. You know what I mean? It got three different choice of analog inside of the plugin. You know, case strip feels like having a custom analog console in a plugin. Case strips takes three of world's most popular large format consoles, fuses them together, and let you create the ultimate channel strips. You know what I mean. So right now, I just recently purchased this. I never really used the plugin. You know what I mean. So I got a mix to work on today. You know what I mean. Somebody sent me the Dubplate last night and asked me if I could because they find currently now have a kind of nasal inside of the voice now. So I said, all right, come on, see if this plugin could do the work. See? All right, let's go inside the Studio One right now. See me inside the Studio One right now. We're using an instrumental. Instrumental is 100 beat. You know what I mean? So the guy sent me the beat and asked me to make this mix. He dub over this beat for him now because he having a problem scooping out Cornet Law voice, because right now he's sounding kind of nasally. I don't know why Cornet Law like the DJ like that. He DJ he DJ like he have African cool in his voice, you know what I mean? But that's how his voice is, Anybody who voice Cornet Law was always find like the vocal have a like honking noise now, Sometimes some people like it and some people don't. Seeing? This guy, his songs is based in California, you know what I mean? And he asked me if I could mix one of the track now. He want to play it in a hip hop party somewhere in California tonight. So, seeing? So let me listen to the instrumental first so people can get the feel of the beat now, before let's play the vocal. See? Right? Listen to the vocal, you know, probably hearing it. Yeah, man, it better really nice on this beat. Right? That's how the instrumental song. Me want to stay too long on this thing because I just gonna come in and showcase some of the feature on the plugin. You know what I mean? So we just want to scoop out the vocal and the voice. No, listen to the vocal by itself if I play with the rhythm, You know what I mean? So, listen.
It's upgrade long time. I'm here with jeans, I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me I wear my big gunka gold. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbrella.
See, right now we just cut out the song name. I don't want to hear the song name. And the man asked me not to play his name now, So he want to play it as an element of surprise tonight. He don't want to let nobody know that he have the Dubplate out there now, He never the track name on the Connect Law is Badness Upgrade Dubplate, you know what I mean? So they can link Connect Law if all they see him. Tell them that all they need a cut just like that now, Seeing? So listen to the beat song with the vocal. So you know what I mean? Because I want all to hear the vocal dry, you know what I mean, without any plugins on. And I want to see the difference when I put the plugins on, if it's making a difference, Listen.
No, I say la boss, I say. The badness upgrade long time. I'm here with jeans, I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me I wear my big gunka gold. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple bro.
Yeah, right now the vocal, I heard the vocal song, you know what I mean? So, yeah, let me go into the plugins right now, seeing. Open on Black Guru, because I like to use Black Guru, as I tell you guys, Black Guru. This plugin what I use in here is help on my CPU. Seeing it help on my CPU, so we're gonna just go into the thing, case strip, I done instinct already, and I'm gonna just bring it. Wait until it load. Right when it load, it got three set of console. It got Neves, N is for Neves, A is for API, And the third one is SSL. So we're gonna just play with this one is a saturation. This part is a saturation. And saturation. Let's hear the vocal song with N on, you know. I mean, so this is only vocal song. This is only vocal song.
No, Sala boss, I say. The badness upgrade long time.
You're gonna exaggerate first.
With the Glock fine.
We don't want
Tell
that.
them see I'm blind me.
So song is distorted. We don't want that voice, the song that distorted. You know?
I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays.
Look for the sweet spot, you know.
Sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip. GLE Benz yo. Badness upgrade.
Yeah.
Badness upgrade.
Tugs
yeah. Place, enough key, enough money, but scarce. Buy a house, figure store money upstairs. This upgrade
and
long
this
time.
is high pass, high pass.
I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me and wear my big gun
like
gold.
75, you know.
I ever want my gun there. We bring them
right
a
now we
tick
using
in the Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a
Right now we're using the saturation on the knee. Let's try the knees on the API and see. Every time you change the console, then you see you go to a different saturation. The console, see like the other one, is on thing. This is what I like about this plugin so far. That when you change into a different console, it start over fresh. See? It don't go back to the old settings like we have on knee. Knee, we done set the knee already. Let's play around with the API now. API start from fresh. Let's listen to how it sound with the vocal on.
There's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness.
See, it's too much.
Pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip. GLE Benz yo.
I like how that's songing.
Badness upgrade.
Wow.
Badness upgrade. Tugs place, enough key, enough money.
Let's move on to the
buy a house, figure store money
SSL.
upstairs. This upgrade long time. I'm Mary Jeans, I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me and wear my big gun gold.
Wow.
I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays.
Yeah man, the API sounding good, you know. Again, the vocal a little shine, you know.
We a sound love fret.
SSL.
Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip. GLE Benz yo. Badness upgrade.
Yeah, I like how the SSL song and saturation SSL. I like how it's sung on the vocal. That on the API, it sound close, but the API song a little shiny. But I don't want his vocals to sound so bright, you know what I mean? So I leave it on SSL so far. SSL is doing a good job on SSL. Let's move on to the Neves EQ. See?
Badness upgrade, Tugs place, enough key, enough money, but scarce. Buy a house, figure store money upstairs. This upgrade
Exaggerate.
time. I'm Mary Jeans,
And
I
then
carry
back
the
off.
Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me and wear my big gun gold. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip. GLE Benz yo. Badness upgrade. Badness upgrade. Tugs place, enough key, enough money, but scarce.
Yeah, like
buy a
that song,
house,
you know.
figure store money upstairs. This
Right now we're using the SSL EQ.
I'm Mary Jeans, I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me and wear my big gun gold. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip. GLE Benz yo. Badness upgrade. Badness upgrade. Tugs place, enough key, enough money, but scarce. Buy a house, figure store money upstairs. This upgrade long time. I'm Mary Jeans, I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me and wear my big gun gold.
Yeah.
I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big.
Right now, I like how the EQ sounding on the SSL so far. The saturation SSL and the EQ SSL. And the next thing you can move this, you can switch band. Wow, I didn't know that. I just tried this for the first time and see it move. So we're going to leave how it is in. We leave in the saturation, going into the EQ, and then compression. Seeing? Then go down to the SSL compressor. Like I show you in my previous videos, there's a trick you could do. You know, put the ratio all the way on 1, and you put the attack all close to 4. See, put the attack close to 4 and leave it release on fast. You know what I mean? Leave it release on fast. See, what you're gonna do is put the threshold on -20. See, and listen to it now.
Some big pan clip, GLE bends yo.
And then now we move the ratio
badness upgrade
until they start to see like again
badness
close to 8.
upgrade thugs place enough key
See,
enough
that's
money
too much,
bus
you know?
case buy a house figure store money upstairs and this upgrade long
And
time
then now you move
and
back
Mary
the,
Jane carry
move
the
back
Glock
the threshold.
tell them see I'm blind me and wear my big gun goal I ever want my gun there
So we're getting about 6.
Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip, GLE bends yo.
So you're getting about 12, you know? See, you just back off until you see 8, you know?
Badness upgrade, thugs place, enough key, enough money, but
so that's songing.
buy a house, figure store money upstairs, and this upgrade long time. And Mary Jane carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me and wear my big gun goal. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays.
Then now you come with
a couple room sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip, GLE bends yo.
Yeah man, I like how that song, you know what I mean? Let's bring back the music now to hear how the mix song is so far, you know, listen.
This upgrade long time, and Mary Jane carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me and wear my big gun goal. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot.
Let's back off the saturation a little bit.
Extendos and big pan clip, GLE bends yo. Badness upgrade, thugs place, enough key, enough money,
let's move to the velvet now.
Store money upstairs, and this upgrade long time. And Mary Jane carry the Glock fine.
You're just gonna do the learn and let's see what it gets so far, you know.
I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip, GLE bends yo. Badness upgrade.
Listen, we talked.
Badness upgrade, thugs place.
Now the vocals just get clear now with this preset.
Figure store money upstairs, and this upgrade long time. And Mary Jane carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind.
You hear me honking the voice? Look at clear up now.
I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan.
I like how that song is so far, you know. So let's bring back the reverb. Because I already preset the pre-verb earlier, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? I like using this plugin called Altiverb. You know what I mean? So I've been using it for the last 8 years, you know. So it's been doing my mixes wonderful, you know what I mean? Let's bring back the delay, you know what I mean? So I'm going to show the delay I've been using. You know, I'm using Valhalla delay, you know what I mean? It's a preset from high pop delay, you know what I mean? So listen to this song.
Boot pan big grabbery, extendos and big pan clip, GLE bends yo. Badness upgrade, thugs
man,
place.
Sound good already, people. Now listen how the track song with all the plugins them, you know what I mean? So the guys can kind of hear the clarity of the plugin, you know. Clarity of the plugins, my bad. Listen with the plugins off.
I'm Mary Jane, I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me away.
Now me gonna press it back, and you're gonna hear how clear everything just become within low boss voice, you know what I mean? Not pressing it back. You know. Put back on velvet, and listen how you sound clear now.
This upgrade long time. I'm Mary Jane, I carry the Glock fine. Tell them see I'm blind, me away my big uncle goal. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple room sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big grabbery. Extendos and big pan clip, GLE Benz yo. Badness upgrade.
Badness upgrade, yeah man. Yeah man, big up everybody who like the video so far, you know what I mean? So I'm doing all the mix and everything, you know what I mean? Showing all the from, like, showing you guys like step by step what I'm doing. So if you get this plugin, just take your time and go through it, you know what I mean? Yeah, I ain't even use no preset. They got preset here you can use, but I choose to use it manually, you know what I mean? I like all the SSL song, SSL saturator, you know what I mean? Let's go through the saturation on the API and see if I like it, you know what I mean? One more.
This upgrade long time. I'm Mary Jane, I carry the Glock fine.
API now.
Tell them see I'm blind, me away my big uncle goal. I ever want my gun there. We bring them a tick in a dolly Sundays. A couple room sweep on the ground, there's a umbre, nobody feel we a sound love fret. Rich badness, 30 grand boot pan big.
Yeah, I like how the Neve song, you know. The Neve song more warm. The song more warmer than the SSL. I think I'm gonna leave it on the Neve, you know. I'm gonna leave it on the end so far, you know what I mean? So all they just play with the saturation here, move the latin. Once you move the latin to the right, the trim button ain't gonna come back. You know what I mean? So you're really losing anything, you know what I mean? Yeah. So everybody who like the video, let's remember to leave a comment and leave a comment and like the video, you know, and subscribe for more. Yeah. Later, people, you know what I mean?